Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best laundry whitener is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked products in maintaining the pristine appearance of our clothes, transforming dull, dingy fabrics back to their original brilliance and ensuring that whites stay brilliantly white and colors remain vibrant and true, making every wash a step towards a brighter wardrobe and a more confident you. Number 5. Miss Mouth's Messy Eater Stain Treater Spray. Introducing a powerful solution for life's little messes. This spray is designed to effectively remove stubborn stains from various fabrics. Perfect for new parents, this gentle formula is ideal for baby essentials. It safely handles food and other common spills on clothing and linens. Don't let stains ruin your favorite clothes. It works on grease, coffee, and food marks, making laundry day easier. Simply spray and wash away the mess. No dry cleaning is needed for most common laundry items. Preserve the quality of your fabrics with this effective stain remover. It's a must-have for any household dealing with everyday spills. Experience the convenience of a reliable stain treater. It's your go-to for keeping laundry fresh and clean, no matter the mess. What we like. This powerful spray is designed to tackle even the toughest stains from food and grease. Its gentle, baby-safe formula makes it perfect for households with little ones. If you're looking for a quick and effective solution for everyday messes on various fabrics, this is your go-to. What people say. This laundry whitener is highly effective at removing stubborn stains and yellowing from white fabrics, restoring them to their original brightness. The formula is gentle on fabrics, even after multiple uses, and does not cause any damage or discoloration. It is easy to use, simply add it to your regular laundry detergent during the wash cycle for a noticeable whitening effect. Number 4. OxiClean White Revive Laundry Whitener. Tired of dingy whites? Introducing OxiClean White Revive, your powerful solution for brighter laundry. It's the perfect alternative to harsh bleach. This innovative powder is designed to restore the brilliance of your white fabrics. Achieve a noticeable difference without the need for chlorine bleach. Don't let stains ruin your favorite clothes. Our formula tackles tough stains while remaining gentle on your fabrics, keeping them looking their best. Simply add it to your regular wash cycle for an extra boost of whitening power. It's an effortless way to keep your whites looking like new. Discover the power of OxiClean White Revive and see your whites transform. Get ready for laundry that looks and feels incredibly fresh and bright. What we like. This large tub offers a powerful way to whiten your laundry without harsh bleach. It effectively removes stains while restoring brightness to dingy whites. If you have a lot of whites to wash and want a reliable, bleach-free option, this value-sized powder is an excellent choice. What people say. The stain removal was impressive. They came out noticeably brighter after one wash. It also cleans well and boosted my regular detergent. The powder dissolves easily and didn't leave any residue or stickiness on the clothes or in the washer. Works better than bleach, without ruining your clothes. Removes deodorant buildup. Brightens whites without damage. Works on older stains. Number 3. OxiClean White Revive Laundry Whitener. Tired of dingy whites? Discover the power of OxiClean White Revive, your ultimate solution for brighter laundry. It's the perfect alternative to harsh bleach. This powerful powder is designed to lift stains and whiten your fabrics effectively. Achieve brilliant whites without the damaging effects of chlorine bleach. Don't let tough stains ruin your favorite clothes. Our formula works hard to remove even the most stubborn marks, leaving your laundry looking like new. Looking for a safer way to get bright whites? This is it. It provides exceptional whitening power while being gentler on your fabrics and the environment. Simply add it to your wash along with your regular detergent. Experience the OxiClean difference and bring your whites back to life with every load. Get more washes and more brightness with this generous 3-pound container. Keep your whites looking their best, load after load. What we like. Experience the whitening power of this alternative to bleach in a convenient size. It's formulated to lift stains and revive the brilliance of your white garments. If you prefer a smaller quantity or have less frequent whitening needs, this option provides excellent results without the need for bleach. What people say. This product is a game changer for keeping whites bright. It effectively removes stains and yellowing without damaging fabric. A little goes a long way, making it a cost-effective solution for laundry. Number 2. OxiClean White Revive Laundry Whitener Power Paks. Tired of dingy whites? Introducing OxiClean White Revive Power Paks. They're designed to bring back the brightness to your laundry. Don't let stains ruin your favorite clothes. These power packs work hard to lift tough stains, even set-in ones. Experience a new level of clean. They not only remove stains but also restore the brilliant white color to your fabrics. Simply toss one power pack into your wash. It dissolves completely, releasing its whitening and stain-fighting power. These power packs are safe for all washing machines, including he. Get vibrant whites with every load. Each pack contains 24 power packs, providing plenty of uses. Keep your whites looking their best for longer. What we like? These power packs offer ultimate convenience for whitening and stain removal. Simply toss one in with your load for a powerful, bleach-free clean. If you value ease of use and consistent results, and want to avoid measuring powder, these packs are perfect for busy households. What people say. This whitener is very effective at removing tough stains and brightening whites. It works well on various types of fabric, including cotton and synthetics. The product is easy to use and does not require pre-soaking for most stains. Number 1. Stardrops The Pink Stuff Laundry Oxy Stain Remover 500 ml. Tired of stubborn stains on your laundry? Discover the power of the Pink Stuff's Miracle Laundry Oxy Stain Remover. It's designed to tackle tough stains with ease. This potent formula works deep into the fabric to lift and eliminate even the most challenging stains. Say goodbye to pre-treating and soaking. Our Oxy Stain Remover is tough on stains but gentle on your clothes. It's safe to use on a variety of fabrics, keeping them looking their best. The convenient 500 ml spray bottle makes application simple and effective. Just spray directly onto the stain and let it work its magic. Achieve brilliantly clean and fresh laundry with every wash. Experience the miracle of the pink stuff and see the difference for yourself. Don't let stains ruin your favorite clothes any longer. Try the Pink Stuff Laundry Oxy Stain Remover today and enjoy spotless results. What we like? Discover the miracle cleaning power that tackles a wide range of laundry stains. It leaves your clothes smelling fresh and looking revitalized. If you're seeking a versatile stain remover that works on various fabrics and delivers impressive results with a pleasant scent, this spray is a fantastic option. What people say. This stain remover works great. I had a stain from a previous wash and I sprayed it and re-washed the garment and it is now stain-free. Perfect for both gray and white baseball pants, gets the mud and the clay and all the grass stains out. Love it. This is the best spot stain remover I have ever used. Newborn poo stains come straight out even if dried in, and colors aren't affected. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.